Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to the Matters Home. In today's video, I want to celebrate something special. I want us all to celebrate African fashion, the glamour, the elegance, the sophistication, the versatility, what else do I want to say? I think I lack words at this point because you see this very collection that I have gathered here today. It's a combination of Ankara African prints. Not just that, we have both Ankara skirts and blouses and then the Ghanaians, Kente. Guys, this video is beautiful. While I was making this video, I had to think about my 5 years of making fashion videos on this platform, this YouTube. And I have realized that, trust me, I love African fashion. Do you see how beautiful these ladies look? Do you see our Ghanaians and Ghanaian ladies? Guys, how about Nigerian ladies? Please take your time and enjoy this video. I don't want to be the one telling you too much about it, but you are going to like this collection. Please do me a favor by liking this video. That is the only way that you can encourage me. Please tap on the like button so that YouTube will be able to ship this video to more people. And most especially, join our community. It's free. Just tap on the subscribe button and you will be updated with the latest fashion trends. Above all, irrespective of your location, we've got beautiful ready to wear. They are already sewn. It's not a customization. They are already sewn, ready to wear, yes. So you check my post where I will be updating us daily about what we have in store and how much the prices are. Trust me, our prices are very fair. So I'll also drop the other details there. Whatever it is, please, the Matters Home is here. We are not taking it kindly. And I love you all, my subscribers, all of you that have been commenting, have been liking this channel, have been, what else can I say? I love you all. Thank you for being with me all this while. And I hope to see you soon in our latest video. I love you. Bye.